following contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 583 pounds, the Destroyer.
Plenty of star power in this tag team match, guys, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely, Michael. In fact, if you ask me, all four of these competitors have what it takes to be top single stars here in the WWE.
And their opponents, at a combined weight of 530 pounds, Sergeant Slugger and Iron Shiek, the Triangle of Terror.
This is the one this crowd has been waiting for, guys. Tag team action coming up.
I can't wait, Michael. Like this crowd, I've had my eyes on this match ever since it was announced.
Here we go, folks, as we kick off this tag team match.
Doesn't get any better than this. We're about to witness tag team action at its finest, fellas.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, my goodness, crushing it. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Gunbuster.
In a tag team contest, a superstar and partner lock up against another duo. Unless there's a special stipulation added to the match.
Here he goes. Is he done? He fights his way free.
But how much energy did he exhaust fighting his way out?
In a standard tag team match, one competitor is in the ring against an opponent, and their teammate is in their corner standing on the ring apron. I should also point out that the competitor in the ring, as far as the referee is concerned, is the legal man. Only the legal man can attempt to score a fall over an opponent or be defeated by an opponent.
In a tag match, when a superstar tags their partner, the person who tagged out has until the referees count 5 to exit the ring. For a tag to be considered legal, both of the superstars' feet have to be on the apron. The partner must be touching the tag rope in the corner. Both team members must touch, and the referee must see the tag be made.
Wicked clothesline. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, what a gut buster. Oh, my God. Flatliner.
Man, face first.
Oh, man.
Harsh impact. There's a tag. Opponent off the ropes.
Big backdrop. What a stomp. Good grief. He's on the defensive here. Heading into this match, he and his partner look extremely confident. You gotta believe this one's over. Oh, man, right in the midsection. He's too quick for him there. Oh, he's able to reverse it. showing some quickness there.
He wants to do this in the ring. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Irish whip.
When a superstar is in a tag team match and has endured heavy amounts of punishment, they must find a way back to their corner to tag their partner. Something that they have to try is doing creates separation between them and their opponent. That space gives a superstar the ability to move and catch their breath.
He goes for the cover. Corey, you touched on this before. Part of a tag team's ability to be successful is their ability to endure punishment and make their way to their partner when they need to tag out. One way to do that is to create that separation you spoke of so they have some space to gather themselves and time to make their way back to the corner.
You're absolutely right, Mike. Across the shoulders.
Oh, nasty impact.
But he's running up.
Looking for all the glory here. 2, 3. And that's it. This one is over. Now let's take another look at these guys in action.
Remember this? And last but not least, there was this.
Here are your winners, the Destroyer Axe and the Destroyer Smash Demolition.
Well, that one was over before it even started. Wow, when you pick up a pinfall victory over somebody like that, you've done something right.
I hope you set your DVRs, folks, because that match is worth going back and watching again.